We're going to take a look at the Pindejo, a 12-gauge slug that uses a principle that no ammo manufacturers have ever used before. The Hexalet 32 is a fragmenting slug made by D-Duplex. It uses a simple hollow point designed to cause the steel teeth to fragment upon impact. The Guabo steel by Gualandi is of similar design. It too has a hollow point face, but also a plunger, a wedge in the center that causes the teeth to fragment on impact. The Pindejo has no hollow point or mechanical wedge to cause the pins to fragment. It has a long, tapered central nose surrounded by 9 hardened steel pins. But the question is, can we develop enough hydrostatic force to cause those pins to break out, or will all that pressure just kind of leak between all the pins and leave the pins intact? Now, personally, I did not think we would be able to develop that kind of pressure. I'm sure many ammunition engineers feel the same way. But no one told Justin Smith this can't work. Justin is a machinist and an amateur ammo designer. Let's shoot the Pindejo at a block of ballistic gel.
Very, very impressive.
Not only did the Pindejo work flawlessly, but it worked better than the other alternatives out there. Here we have 9 1-inch long hardened steel rods behaving like little arrows or flechettes traveling deeply into the gel block. Some came out of the side, others made it all the way down the entire length of the block. It was impressive as heck. The main body made it 12 inches into the block, and as you can see, all 9 rods were effectively ripped out of it. And of course, the rods all spread out in a cone-shaped pattern down the length of the block. None of the rods remained inside the block. In fact, on the end, I had a couple inches of wet catalog, hoping to catch any kind of debris coming out of the end. Now, surprisingly, most of the rods had spread out so much that it completely missed those catalogs, but one of them coming out of the top did end up penetrating through 2 inches of that wet catalog. Didn't even catch that one. It had so much energy.